Want to open apps quickly using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. Make sure Utilities is available in Gemini. If you don't see it, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Then go to Connected Apps. Find Utilities and tap it. There is no switch here, so you can use it directly. Now, go back to the main screen. Tap the message box. Type a simple command like Open Calendar. Then tap Send. Gemini will open the app automatically. You can also open other apps the same way. For example, Open Calculator or Open Camera. This makes it faster and easier to access your apps. And that's how to open apps using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.